Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna make a toy dirt bike track part 2 because I moved from outside into inside because I couldn't play with it at night, and I'm kind of sick, so just ignore that. So yeah, here it is. So you start right there, like right here, and you go into this left-hander. Hit a big double down into the landing, left-hander, hit a double, and then do the same thing. I know it's a small track, but I didn't have a lot of room. There it is. Kind of had like this sand to make it in the middle, and there's all my dirt bikes. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how it is. And yeah, it's toy dirt bike track. So if you like the video, please subscribe and like, comment. Maybe if you guys want me to make a track like something a Hollister or like a raceway, comment that below. Thanks, bye.